let me show you something, because it's not only me that will say this thing, and so that when I start ranting, you people will understand where I'm coming from. Hold on. Can you see? Can you see? Can you see? Tell me why it will be snowing this much in April. Like, I'm currently recording this video in April. I don't know when this vlog will drop, but this is April. But tell me why we'll have this amount of snow in April. It's supposed to be spring. Like, everyone is already waiting for spring. Like, yeah, spring is here. And out of nowhere, it started snowing this week. Guys, it's been snowing since morning. Look at. Oh, that's just by the way, guys. Welcome to this vlog. All right, so I recently just resumed work, and weekend is not gonna be like weekend anymore. Well, it's still gonna be like weekend, but if I don't maximize Friday evening, Sunday and Saturday, I'm sure my week is going to be all messed up. Okay, so I thank God I already have like a routine for weekend reset, you know, the things I do to prepare for the new week. And going back to work is not really going to be like an hassle for me, because I already like have the things I do for the weekend while I prepare for the new week. So come with me to quickly do a quick errand, yeah, and then we'll take it up from there. Okay, so let's go. Okay, so I just found this in the store and I decided to have fun on it. It's really lovely and it has this Let Me Stay logo behind it. So and guys, these are fresh flowers, not there. I'm done with my errands and I just decided to stop by and get a cup of ice cream. Look at the way I am. I just dashed out of the house. As soon as I clocked out of work, I just dashed out. As you can see, I didn't even come out with my daughter because I really needed to quickly do what I needed to do and rush back home. I'm done now. I didn't want to bore you with the details, so I just had to quickly do it. And I'm done. So let's get ice cream and go back home.
to another place, even I
Oh, see your hair. See your hair. Oh my god. Hi NdiOma. Good morning. So weekend resets in sync. I just finished making my daughter's hair for the week, and yesterday I was out to get to run some errands and get a few supplies for the house. Yeah, so I think the next thing I'll be doing today will be, I'm not cooking because I cooked last week, so I'm good. So during the week someone brought this gift for me. It's a skincare brand. Okay, so I want to unbox it and see, though it's not the brand I use, but I've been thinking about, you know, I'm changing my skincare brand because I don't know if you can see here, I started having breakouts. I don't know which one, if it is the Nivea or if it is the Garnier, but I just noticed I started having breakouts. So I was thinking of, you know, maybe changing my serum or my face cream. I don't know. I'm currently accessing, so I don't know which is the cause, if it is the serum or I don't know if you get what I'm trying to say. So I don't know if it is the serum or the face cream or the cleanser that is bringing out the breakout. So I'm still going to observe it for a while. If it continues, then I would maybe try some new brands. I'm already having two in mind, Mandara and Sensia. Okay, so and then during the week somebody brought this for me, like my husband's acquaintance brought this. He was like, yeah, I have a gift for you, madam. And I'm like, wow. So I've also been looking at this brand, Rituals, and I've read beautiful things about them. Okay, so if I open up this pack, so it comes with their 4 best sellers: the body scrub, the shower foam, the body cream. I don't have issue with body cream. My Nivea is doing perfect well for my skin, so I will just try their body cream. If their body cream works well on me, then maybe I will try their serum. Okay, so that's it. So I'm gonna unbox this pretty much later, and then let's see what it looks like. We'll check the candles and see how it looks like. So we're having a play date tomorrow, and I'll be taking my daughter out to meet with some other kids, and yeah, I think that's basically how this weekend will run. I have food, so I'm not cooking. I'm just gonna be chilling, and yeah, so let's look for something to eat for breakfast, and then I'll see you when I'm about to open the package, and I'll be eating. And guess I'll see you tomorrow, right? Just gonna chill. I cannot come and keep myself, so I'm just gonna be chilling this weekend, you know. Thank God I went out yesterday, even though I was looking horrible. All right guys, I'll see you later. Bye. Hey NdiOma, good morning again and welcome back. Remember I mentioned yesterday about the play date, but for some reason we decided to move the play date forward so that everybody can really enjoy the play date. So I decided to use my afternoon to do something else, something more productive. It's not like rest is not productive, but I just need to do it. I've been stalling it for a while now, so I decided to just do it since this my afternoon is free. My balcony, yeah, we all know that the weather is getting better. Hopefully we hope it gets better, because I don't understand, but today it's 6 degrees. Okay, so and it's not too cold. No, it's cold, like it's 6 degrees. Of course it's cold, but then that's a sign that some days it could be better than that, and I might want to just sit in the balcony and chill. And honestly guys, the balcony is a mess, not like a mess, because winter nobody was sitting there and it's just lying around. So I decided to just use this afternoon to clear it up. So let me show you how it looks like. It's look at just so I need to really clear it. Let me show you the parts, because we're not really sitting there. It's cold and nobody's sitting there, so I need to take care of the storage over there. It's a chair, but it has the storage in it, like a tumba. So I'm just gonna rearrange it and make everywhere look all nice. The sun is bright this morning, as you can see. So do this afternoon, since we're not going out anymore, I'm just gonna do it and just stick around with me. Don't go nowhere. And later on, remember the gifts box I got? I've not unboxed it yet. In fact, I think we should just do it now before I start clearing this place. Let's just do it now. Let's see what's inside. Oh, I really like the packaging products. It's really lovely. Okay, so the unboxing is done, and first off, I like the way this candy smells, and the write-up says if it's not happy people who are thankful, it's thankful people who are happy. This is so true. So like I said, I'm just going to try to use the body cream and see how it looks like. If I like the product, we will just continue with it. So let's use this. I really like this. Okay. And there's a body scrub too. I'm sure you saw it when I unboxed it. Of course I'm gonna use it. And this is shower gel. Of course I'm gonna use it. So I like this deal. I'll call it a day.